Hello guys, today I want to show you how to edit drop-down menu on Webflow. So first log into your Webflow account. Select the project you want to edit your drop-down menu on. So click on Open Webflow Project. Click on it. And head over to Settings on the right sidebar, click on Settings. Now, you want to click on Show to show all the links in the drop-down menu. The links will become visible. And you can just edit the div tag. You can also set an ID for the drop-down menu. You can add a link. You can customize attributes. So, you have all the options to edit here. And that's it, guys. You can also edit style, add colors, edit the fonts, the size, the weight, etc. So, and you can add interactions on the drop-down menu. You can add an element trigger. When someone clicks on the drop-down menu, an element is triggered. And you can add also a page trigger. So to create an animation on your drop-down menu. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.